Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created disintegration effect on skeleton mesh. You can see this is animated skeleton mesh. So let's start this tutorial. So yesterday I created a tutorial, this disintegration on static mesh, and the new thing is the particle is just spawning from the edge, and same here, but this is actually need to play. See, and I can also change the animation, like if I use this walk and it will work like this. See how precisely it's coming, these particles from this edge. So this is the exactly same project from the yesterday, but I changed something and it just worked. So in this FX